Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're at the Boardman Valley Nature Reserve here in Traverse City, right in Logan's Landing. We're going to take a look around and see everything that you can experience when you visit. This is a great area to go for a hike, launch a kayak, a canoe, and we can't wait to show you everything. Right off the path here you have your kayak and your canoe launch, which is a very convenient and accessible area to launch a vessel. There's a really easy, large platform right off the Boardman. And then Boardman runs for miles up into the woods. And off to my left, you can actually go under airport access and towards the Boardman. We did a special video last year showing everything you can do on the Boardman Loop. I invite you to look that up. I invite you to look that up in our catalog. This area is a lush, beautiful location you can visit and go for a nice hike, get some peace and quiet. This is located at the YMCA in Logan's Landing. They have plenty of parking and it is free. Alright, so we also have some nice tennis courts as well. Now this nature preserve is 158 acres. It is along the Boardman Valley, and also you can access it off of South Airport. There's another little access point for the Boardman. It is a great opportunity to go hiking, fishing, canoeing, kayaking. Very nice. Let's continue this way. One of the best parts about being in Traverse City, either you're visiting or you live here, is that nature is just a few miles away. We are a large city, but this is also a great opportunity to get in touch with nature because you can get close to a hiking trail very easily. So this is a small path along the Boardman that is probably not even a designated walking trail, but I'm going to take it anyways because it is nice. You can definitely tell fishermen probably use it. Here are their soccer fields at the YMCA. And we have our designated trail. The reserve was established in 2002 with money received from the Michigan Natural Resources Trust Fund grant. It includes over a mile of Boardman River frontage and over 1.5 miles of unpaved hiking trails on the west side of the river. If you're enjoying this nature walk, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way for the channel and we really appreciate it. Traverse City Guide is there to make sure you have all the resources when visiting Traverse City. We do restaurant reviews, walkthroughs, we do hiking, we do a lot of fun activities, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, so just for reference here, we are at the end of the soccer fields. We're going to start our walk. See a photo of the loop. Make sure to clean your shoes. Again, the Boardman is just feet away. It's a nice covered bridge here with a tree canopy. Got a picnic table back there. So this trail is very expansive. It is a nice hike. I hope this was a good summary of what you can expect when you come to this area. There was a nice little overlook. Again, I don't hear anything but birds, crickets. Again, the trail continues on that way. Off that way and over there. We are gonna head back, and again, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little guide to what you can expect when you visit this area. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. It was a quick one, but again, we really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Thank you so much for watching.